easy, my baby. Yeah, my baby. Nothing what they go do. Reach our body, we must see something to talk. Lare ugwano we. But ya tell me VF what now make me on this live video. Because I don't know. Or like I wanna say no go school. Now me go call they teach you now something. Small children. Abrogada bra. Wakwe gwen. Abu wa mere le gboto. Yeah. La re tu wa mai na te AVF omo na domu. Omo na ya adoti. Wa la re eno kwe mi AVF we mi ati ma oni sunu yo ya we AVF. Come here. Make I tell you what it be IVF. IVF not be it not be picking where you go adult, not be picking where you thief. IVF na picking where it be say the papa sperm and the mama sperm. They go put on for the say egg, come put on for the woman body, na their own picking. If they don't do the vaga say picking no come. They also can make they do IVF. More like when even they mention IVF, if they mention IVF, they put respect because it's a lot of money. It's a huge of money. We are here telling you what munuwe kwa. Respect that your map not so funny. Why am social media ziggy? If you want to talk about IVF, hold yourself because it's a lot of money. It's a big money. It's not free. Or one way citizen. It's not free. Walare. Aye wina esma mongo be ari no go ho. Ari bae. Ami se ku gbadori ye ego go ho ni. Ari yo wegbe. Ari yo wegbe. E ba we na do amie eni na VF esoro yen ya bieva. Esoro yen ya bieha. Esoro yen ya bieten. Mere wala wo why we take back VF because na 1-to-1 at the enter e no roto e cut my fo e no ayela la ma fo to e no the ni e be muri every police station ma fo e no prison ma fo wa bari oga VF wa we yare after VF then working then why which one I want to bring for social media awon monokopa la pa IVF, it get many ways. All those mama we don't say, don't say 60 years old, don't born no. Already, wherever na ya working. Maybe a no kwa 18 beer, maybe a no who. Okay, a malfunction. I think we are yoga money and marry egg, no, egg. Go Huawei, near Mary, no other for my own, no ko ma yari. I don't yoga or daphne no who. I hear you way, I hear you pony original woman, no nya donny, I hear you ko on mwe. What la hobo? No monadomu. Crime, don't want ya have crime. O ma bie wagbo kan e no ma bie wagbo kan e no wa VF wagbo kan orisho in my live video de ni mahia mo bofi gwe na we ga we depressed we make na e na nage e psychiatric hospital no ari odo uhu na wa ya live social media e no pa wa we ni no me star na vio eyin ni o pa wa are ni bo social media e supporter wa support opaka wa ri follow wa ri ama e no better say ari follow him ari star him egbe ohiedo is it not better maybe we tell we take top fancy or whatever we ri oma say egbe ohiedo ni rebu o enyu ga ya la ja preka do wa carry star ni no one we yin so that if social media not making am peace. And social media now, some people don't use and keep their documents. Yeah, baby, with style, which they never know. We wait don't follow police. We wait for follow characters. Now me they tell una say some people now for this saga they used to kill their paper, they never know. They are working like a dead cop. This social media. Waiting. Oh my Yahweh program. Hello. No reference to IVF for you. Oh not the boy IVF. You go Yahweh. Also boy they are be do we moto. He cries, tell your husband to borrow me money. You do? Now money use. Why me bo me wake na na go why on wa beg eh? Una no wan see. Una no wan see where happiness dey. Una no wan see where joy dey. What na joy be your eh? Why it be like that, my people? Why it be like that? Eh? Where? Enu waji no gwa gogojo. Asilegbe yo gbelegan. Asilegbe ye koti. Asilegbe ye asigdibi nene no gyoba. Asilegbe ye gbele what's your people problem? Eh? Have you not been small picking food, my sister? Some people still there, they want to have it, they don't try. You know they come. No, see. You go, they'll tell you, say your egg is too many. But they don't know why not come. Or not why you will see egg where they stomach, where 10 egg. But now they go see some people where be say their egg too small. It's too small to carry a baby. Donc on se ocean way there na ya ri e gogo mari adori e spam mogo da fun aye you way but aye you we ko ni wala wo imano ma yes kuna gwa gi ma ti chukwa ngwa mi kina why this saga where would they do so? Is it good? Yoruba they do saga. If you see me, I tell you, the lesson where I read for Yoruba saga, nana, music. You know music? One person see gospel music, right? The other one comes see singer. The last one when singer say na he bring the music. The other one say na la iro look by Emilio song, na me sing the song. Area another person come see it and advise them, sing na sing. Whether na you sing them or whether na this one sing them, hence is gospel music is acceptable. I mean my advice one won't boy out back. Yeah, it's 7 to 10. 7 to 10,000 euro. It's not a super papa shoe. When you respect on money no IVF, do whatever and even don't get no ya win IVF. If you did the way you do the IVF, do like this for them. Toilet. Ko me 10,000 we assign you. E bonam with 10,000 we book. We anya no here fu. O mama un la lo ni san. Veneration. Please. Wagima we no. Avec cometa est so kele avec vient tignan avec cola est so wagi betting some colors some what they call it. You people are the problem we have in social media. You will not talk what your eyes see. Now what your eyes not see, now you will talk. If person talk, now maybe not measure person, you will carry that person video. It's come and see they insult your sins because they get gain when they get for inside the saga. Get there for you when they do the saga, when they listen. I know you guys. Yeah, no more comment. I know you people. Una they happy say that they quarrel. Una they happy say. Una see the way where they dance put. Una know why they dance put. Because if me tell them stop, they will say a pack of good boy we are doing here. That's why they dance. Call them on my flower they dance. And they take and laugh them so that they will stop because it's not a good thing. It's not a good thing. To see brothers and brothers, they are eating themselves. Sister and sister, they are biting themselves. Brothers and brothers goes to a police station. Sister and sister go to a court. What is that? Are we joking? Now that carry us come abroad. Money when they not sit do better thing. I wear ado ezokian yagui. Ayari ema. Ayari san. What uwagogo? Before you know now this IVF now go escalate. IVF here, IVF all platform. You will not hear word. You will not hear word for this IVF too. That's why I quickly come and tell that mugu that caused that. IVF. On the person will get platform. You don't know the meaning. Nama, you don't know the meaning of IVF. Only we are not where. Where to be IVF? Why no why they know be IVF you way. Umabege. Why can't do time? Ave Jennifer Lopez say ya no wege. Ave America de eya way. Oya ya be twins, oya ya be on. Some people they will be say if their husband sleep with them, pikin will come, but they don't need them. They need 3 at a time, so that they don't go born again. Some need twins. When you get the dream of twins. They want time. But you know, say some women they will, oh, I wish I born twins now. But how will you do it? But if you take IVF done, it go come quick. It go come quick. Quick. Eh? Good evening, Jare. Presenter, speak with Joe. What is this? Or what is that? Who they talk? Come here, I tell you now. Any live video presenter, when you are coming, everything when we don't lay for ground, no career. And they see one guy now, you can say, he can pay. Listen, he can pay. Before you say he can pay, go and give the creator. You know somebody now create that he can pay. Go and pay that homage before you can use the word. He can pay. What pen why? One year. Before we can he can pay, you take permission for the owner of he can pay. What love why? Boo. American people were good for his side. Eh? Only on the tell us say no bon. Ama bie kaya biene eno obi de egwa we ukegu me gwa ya bie yi kaya mo bu ene okay o obi to gboru ni awun ama IVF we no de ke na you Jesus bia Amike na hia lu why. Oh, baby, I'm a man, why we carry value, and then all baby, now I don't know. He almost to me, they will see what talk. And they must see matter talk. The day we go born, almost to me, yeah, almost to me, he went to Wamam, easy, is a baby. Dear, is it but call them a teacher wanting? Eh? Tia, dear, no for shut it all. No matter I away. Me are making a yagi. When any phonic better me. Or when we wait time, my aunt. Lago was near me. My when I had to vaga so that nay or because it's like all of them are they stress. They are stressed. All of them now, they are stressed. If you talk now, this one say, are you talking to me? Oh, boy, last can check on. All those one I call it stress. If me talk for my platform now me they talk to. Mind yourself, you are picking me. Don't picking me. You are smelling my hand. You are solo gwen. Where's Solomon when a woman so look where's Solomon? Where's Solomon? Any young Maya will have you answer. Who waking is no confiant book. I got confiant who talk my matter today. Who they talk my matter? Is it talk my matter? And not talk my matter. Oh, why are you? Huh? I speak up, my daddy. You wait, they challenge people, say, why should you talk my matter? Why should you Solomon? Why should you? Where's Solomon? Hey, we're not giving up. Where's Solomon? Yes or no? Where's Solomon? Eh? Where have we made there over about total? And I was Solomon. Women in war. You know they talk to anybody. I want to get a solo. Man, you are welcome for the solo. The day where I was sick on and say, why solo? Maybe anything you're not solo. Oh, my solo, is that your I know man. Oh, many as you were working on your total. When mammy and me at a beggar no by one. When mammy. No, you oh, it better I may marry go or better not do be merry what. Oh, we do moto no more. We go. Metese kino yeah from where? Masa kino ye. Oh, the meme wa oh no beggar. How we make get the moto no more igbovore. Me ma be me awe me yo ni we saga ne eya amu wegi. Be ga ina we abegi on na khini me avid on wa bon na khini do ya ga me ya tuta ibi do ate o pe ano kiti o gbagbe ne o pe ano ira we live video o e ko bi egbe ne e ba ni me kana ri de wa lawo wa ga me respect ni je ama go kan ja yes any matter odo arobi ku orobi ono orobi ko odo adiscribe uhiku e me respect no kan ama we je no now wa rokoko tu wa mami no gugwa kun are call ani lao mo na the less call don't hey what be your name? Kate is not the big problem on social media. Go and sit down. Don't let me come for you. Pretty enemy. You won't answer. You forget when you insult me. Now my platform, you won't come write this one. Kate is the problem on social media. You forget what you use. Come out for here. You won't write this one and you see the big problem where you get. Big one. You see, Kate be the biggest problem on social media. Oh, when now your bug bonona ne we to tab palo we mammy in your way. Una we Kate is the bigger problem. Where you can arena. You go work. You go work when you see you get bigger problem. All of them they say thank you. Why you will talk that one? You see the way you take us from the biggest problem you have a social. Who's the Kate come? Who's the Kate come be our biggest problem? Who's the come? Where be our biggest wahala? Where be so why ye wahala sagbada wala mujo since 2015 and 16. Why so wo now? Who's the Kate come? When come be say Kate is the big even Wabeta no Paka is Paka is the biggest problem on social media. Okay, banana with Bonia. Lord, on a well is the bad head. Can you imagine? You now you are bringing problem. You want them to be insulting themselves. Eh? He said, please don't say so all we is peace. Which not comment alone is a problem on social media. You don't know? We are advising people now. It's a Kate is the bigger problem. Yeah? Oh yeah, come on, what you the right? Mommy B, I know they see your comment too. See them. They are not insulting themselves. Look. This is what I'm talking. Don't mind them. Then, mama, look at them. Look. Now, so the quarrel day. Now, so it day. Good evening, my darling. Only your comment I see. Now, so now they create the problem, generation problem. Come on, look. Look at them. This one say Lolo is better. See there. With the comments, you people can will not be fans, so you people think you are fans. A fans no see a fans. A fans no see your quo. Fans where they cause problem. Fans no see the table shaker. No day. Okay, you don't want anybody to talk to Lolo. Why should you call the insult Kate now? From there, you don't know say they will talk to Lolo. If you don't want anybody to talk to Lolo, you're not supposed to put Kate's name there. Because from there, they'll come, they talk to your madam. You dey hear me? If somebody go mention my name now for somewhere, people will not like me. They will attack that comment. If you don't know, me know now. As you write Kate's name, people will love Kate, they will attack your Lolo. If somebody write my name now for platform, sometimes I'm going to use this one, they look there. I'm going to see the way they fight, I'll just laugh. I relax, they laugh. Somebody go say, if you talk to mommy, Opeka again, you are crazy, you are mad. This one say, Opeka na scatter. Another one go write, you they crazy, you they mad, you they go. I go, they laugh. I'll see the way you people are fighting. Me one they fight to I relax. Like, seriously? Huh? Fake people. Fake. That's why, let me tell you. Oh God. Tomorrow, some people there, that they use real accounts come to me here. I know all of them. I will go the other side because I know they are fake accounts. They will use fake accounts the other side. No. So of my fans where I know that they use the real accounts. They will say, Mama, na my account video, my fake account, I know. But I'll go see the another one fake account. They go, no, bomba. When me? Kate now na threats. Mona Saba. Who not get sense? Now they say, hey, like my own in nowhere. Monary anywhere. Monary, if you wait, come me, you, in my own giver. When no way, away, oh, ye Maggie. Oye Maggie. I bet it. And the day scatter. That will not be named. And the day, cannot done. We be barrier in many things. In me. I too anyway no move. Well, my beg any namuno emma. Or anywhere they measure all those kind of names when they give me press and reporter, write message. You wait go school where we write long no. Tell them say na me that they talk to. So who's there your name can't be all those rubbish. He campaign. Hey? Mona take him easy. This life now one, I make an amurie. Nowhere will they carry body go. Social media one me say people don't date their sins. I telephone. I beg. Una when they go call IVF problem. If God give you your own simple. The one when you use IVF, leave them. Leave them alone. Okay? Alright? Now they hear me? Leave them. If God just bless you, say, one touch, now be your own. No, there? Leave them. Now, baby, you know, say a worker don't have time to spend 1 hour, 2 hours. I must go to work. Yeah? Now, they hear me? On your block, with you. I not blame them. As the guy said, they not get anywhere where they go. They can stay on social media, talk, 1 hour, 4 hours, 5 hours. They don't turn to entertainment industry. I don't know what they permit kanya. If person talk now like before now they do that one, I could sit down. End of the day, when head public come, you know they there. You know they there. You know they there. Say, Mama, make you continue with your topic. Hey, come. Who write that to me? I see your comments. Where am I? Don't see you wait. They say continue with it. Have you ever give me money? If you ever give me money, me I don't want to stress myself again. I stress myself for people that help me for my widow program. I go teach you how to buy bag of cement, how to buy block, how to buy. Have you ever dashed me money? Say, Mama, for you to be on your data and what you go right last time? Oh, Huawei. Not be you go right. Oh, Huawei. Now you go talk. Now teach you. I send you. Me will go bring idea. Make your family not suck you like sucker. Have you ever told Mommy B take 20,000 for bag of rice? Have you ever done that? I love you guys. Please, let's take everything easy. Not every time will they quarrel. I don't say quarrel they like them. Please, let's take everything easy. Not be every time. Anybody wait talk up, they will pick up. Anybody more if you are doing that, they know you as a bad head. Don't picky. If you want to face two people, face them. Not everybody. Yee. What I beg. I love you all. Mwah.